The best way to learn any technology is to get hands-on experience with it. In this part, we will discuss about the environment required for us to get started. To start with, we would need a base workstation where we are going to import our images. So I'm using VMware Workstation. You can choose any other hypervisor. Then we will need the BigIP as well as BigIQ images. And in order to utilize the features of these modules, we are going to use the license. Now to start with BigIP requirement, it depends on which module or how many number of modules you are planning to activate at any point of time. So if you are thinking of setting up at least 2 modules or more than 2 modules, I would recommend personally going with 8 GB. Or if you have sufficient space to enable all the modules, you can set it up for 12 GB. With respect to BigIQ, you need at least 4 vCPUs, 16 GB of RAM, and 95 GB of hard disk. This is again the least which is required to get started with BigIQ, and based on the different features that you are going to enable on your BigIQ, this will vary. Now to get the images for BigIP as well as BigIQ, we will be going to downloads.f5.com. In here, you have to log in with your credentials, and after you log in, you will see an option for find a download. Once I click on find a download, then it will take me to this page where I'll see different F5 product families. I'll be mostly interested in BigIP as well as BigIQ. So to start with, in BigIP, I will see different versions of images available. For my case, I'll be going with BigIP version 15. Once I click on this, I'll be getting different options which will show me the different images which are available in version 15 branch. I can choose any of these, and after selecting one of these, then I will be going to 15.1.0.2 virtual edition. Once I click on this option, I'll get a list of images which are customized for various platforms. So for my case, I'll be selecting the first image, which is for VMware ESXi. Then to get the image for BigIQ, again, I'll come back to the product family page, from where I'll select the centralized management option just next to BigIQ. Once I click on centralized management, I will get an option for selecting different versions of images. So for my case, I'll be selecting BigIQ version 7.1.0. Once I click on this option, it will show me a list of images which are again customized for different platforms, whether you're planning to set it up on the actual physical device or a virtual edition or maybe any cloud platform. So you can select the images according to your requirement. In my case, I'll be selecting this specific image, which is for VMware. After we get the images, the last part is to request for the license. Now, in order to request for the license, you will have to go to www.f5.com/trials. This is where you have to log in with your credentials and you can request for various licenses. There are different trial licenses available based on what module you want to test it. So once you click on get the free trial, you will see an option to request 3 different licenses. One will be for BigIP, one will be for BigIQ centralized management, and BigIQ data collection device. We need all these 3 to set up our environment. So with this, now we know everything to get started. In the next section, we'll start discussing more about BigIQ, how is it set up, and from there we'll start with the initial setup of our lab. Till then, stay tuned.